Welcome back. So, you've probably already seen my previous video. If you haven't, feel free to check that out now. But today I'm going to be doing another desoldering video. This time it's on a 1987 Weiss ASCII. It's 101 keys. I have a couple new parts since my last video on the desoldering iron. I've got a new tip that I'm going to be trying out. This is going to actually be my first time trying it. I'm expecting good results. And then also this part is new on the back here. I'm getting a little bit better suction than I was with my previous one. So anyway, enough talking. Iron's been preheated and we're ready to go. Once again, this is a cold board. Here it is. So yeah, I will shut up and I'll turn the pump on and we'll get to desoldering. Once again, last time I did my video, I had the board flat so you could kind of see it better. I know this isn't obviously the best angle for this, but I have kind of a limited setup here on my desk, so I can't get it where it's like flat looking at the board. Anyway, last time I shot, I had the board flat and I was desoldering it. That's actually not the way that I desolder boards. I actually hold them at anywhere from like a 20 to like 90 degree angle and then desolder them. Hopefully that works in this video. I'm going to do it the way I normally do, and we'll see how quick I can do it again. And I'll be going at my normal speed, despite what some people might think. And yeah, let's give it a shot here. Might be a little bit loud too. My pump is a lot closer to the camera than it was the last time. So here goes. And that's that. See if we can't get you, here I'll shut the pump off. See if we can't get you a close-up of some of these desoldered joints here. Let's see if we can bring these up into focus here. Hopefully my camera can focus on these. There you go, nice and clean. And as you saw, that tip really performed well. No moving around like you know, doing the O figure to get it all desoldered. Literally just stick it on there within pretty much immediately upon sticking it on the joints. They were clean and ready to be sucked up. Yeah, sorry about those technical difficulties. My camera battery is extremely low and was like shutting off and losing connection. So anyway, that's going to be it for this one. Just wanted to give an updated video of the new tip, and I'm getting better suction than I was before. And there it was. So hope you enjoyed this one. Still waiting on a couple things to come into stock before I can offer this iron for sale. Don't think it'll be too much longer though, so stick around. Follow me on Instagram if you're not already at GEHMTech, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.